What is up, my individuals? How you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. Alright, so we're 11 months into this thing. I've been growing out my hair since last November when I buzzed it. Now for any of you that are going through that similar hair journey with me right now and that may be facing that awkward stage, I have 3 different hairstyles for you to try that look pretty nice and that will have you looking good throughout this phase. Now before I go ahead and dive completely into this video, I do want to announce that I will be doing a huge, really cool giveaway for some free Shavu hair product towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So for the first hairstyle, which is kind of like my lazy day hairstyle, which you see here, honestly it's effortless and looks pretty good in my opinion. All I do is apply a little ocean spray right after my morning shower just to give it some nice lift and texture, and once I saturate that into my hair evenly, I'll simply let it air dry. Sometimes I'll go on a morning walk, which quickens up the process, but after about an hour or so, this is the final result. And as you can see, it's a very natural look. It has a nice natural part and some really great waves and texture from the ocean spray. And now for the second style, this is a more messier look that I usually rock when I'm out and about or working or hanging out with my family and friends. This time I'll apply a little bit more ocean spray than before just to really get some nice volume, more texture and hold. I'll go ahead and saturate that evenly in my hair and then comb it all forward. And then I'll go ahead and blow dry it all forward as well. And then occasionally throughout the blow drying process, I'll finger comb my hair through the front while still blow drying forward just to get a little volume boost. And I'm not typically a huge fan of mega volume, so I'll keep the volume in my hair subtle. Next, I'll go ahead and apply my favorite hairstyling clay and saturate that into my hair evenly. And then I'll create a messy side part, but making sure that the side part is going back to the center of my head. Rather than keeping it to the side like most hairstyles you see, I keep it aiming towards the center back. Once I got that all figured out, I'll push the back of my hair back and then sweep the sides back as well. And you guys have to understand, this hairstyle, since we blow dried it all forward, yet styled it back, we're going against the grain now. So your hair will naturally want to fall back forward and a little out of place on this one, like you see here. But that's what gives it style, and that's what, makes it actually look good. And of course, you can finger comb it back again, but all in all, you just gotta roll with it. Now, before I go ahead and jump into today's last hairstyle, let's go ahead and discuss maintenance. Just because I'm growing out my hair doesn't mean that I can't keep things nice and cleaned up. And so, a really great tool that's been perfect for me while growing out my hair is the Lawnmower 3.0. I know I always talk about how it's a great manscaping tool, but it's also been great for keeping my sideburns nice and trimmed up, as well as my back neck area. By the way, I have partnered with Manscaped for today's video, and today we have a huge discount for you guys. Manscaped just hooked me up with their all-in-one perfect package kit, which of course includes the Lawnmower 3.0. This can be used for your entire body, including the family jewels. It's waterproof, has skin-safe technology to reduce nicks and cuts. It also comes with ball deodorant and ball toner, so your balls smell a little less like ham and a little more like damn. It also includes the brand new Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer, so you don't poke your girl's eye out with your stragglers. And so ultimately, you don't have to shed any more tears trying to pluck them out with those tweezers. Ooh, talk about pain. And another thing that comes in handy, which is also included, is the Shears 2.0 Luxury Nail Kit. And for a limited time, you literally get all this plus 2 free gifts: the Shed Traveling Bag and the Manscaped Anti-Chafing Boxer Briefs. So that way, when your girl sees you rocking those boxers, hey, she's gonna know the deal. All in all, Manscaped is basically like a hub for all your grooming essentials. And again, be sure to check out that link down below for 20% off plus free international shipping plus 2 free gifts. Now that I'm nice and trimmed up for this last hairstyle, I went for something a little more clean, masculine, and date night ready. Again, applying the ocean spray for my foundation and of course using it as a heat protectant. And for this one, I simply blow dried my hair all back while combing it back. And for this specific look, I went for a new product that my brand Shavu is about to release very soon. I can't wait to drop it. We've honestly been working so hard on getting this product just right for you guys. After I applied and saturated the product evenly into my hair, I then created a very subtle off-centered part. Then I used my wide tooth comb to comb out any entanglements. And then for the last step, I went back in with my fingers a few times for a slightly more natural finish. Now that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to let me know in the comments below which hairstyle you like the best out of those three. I will be growing out my hair a lot longer, so if you guys want to join me on this journey or just kind of sit back and enjoy the show, be sure to subscribe. And now as for the giveaway, I will be gifting 3 different people each with a duo styler kit from Shavu, my brand, which includes 1 ocean clay and 1 ocean sea salt spray. Now all you have to do to enter this giveaway is 2 simple things. Number 1 is hit the notifications button, and the reason why you want to do this is because my very next video that I decide to drop, I'm gonna take the first 100 people that comment on that video, I'm gonna put them into a raffle, a drawing. And then within that 100 people, I'm gonna select 3 random winners to win duo styler kits. And so obviously you wanna hit the notifications button now, so that way when I drop that video, you'll be one of the first to know, so you can be one of the first to comment. And the second thing you have to do is when I release that video, all I want you to do is comment your Instagram username. You can write a nice comment if you want, whatever, but make sure that you go ahead and comment your Instagram username so that way I can DM you when you won. And that's it, it's that simple. Again, number 1, just hit the notifications button so you can be informed when I drop my next video. And number 2, when I drop that next video, go ahead and comment your Instagram username. So hey, I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you on that next video. Please be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. And I'll see you soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka bra.